Welcome, Sandy Beach. We were here last year. That was February 2025. It was newly open at that time. Plants, grass, and flowers were newly planted. Look how fast it has grown in the past 12 months. These bird nest figures are night lights. Look how palm trees progressed in a year. That was winter. We are wearing thick clothing. We also enjoyed the swing. Heart Tower now is white. It was red last year. Fishing is our favorite pastime the whole year. Nice catch.
Go, Kabir.
Time to enjoy sea breeze having vitamin C. Enjoy the view. Go home time now and then. searching for stone scrubs. Goodbye, sandy beach. This is parking space for person with disabilities.